Hello students. Now today we discuss the integral of some special condition. So the integral of under root 1 minus 1 plus 3x 1 plus 3x minus x square dx. Such type of integral are solved by the some special formula. The special formula, as discussed in previous classes, on the basis of that formula we simplify such integration. Now integral common minus x square minus 3x minus 1 dx and integral minus x square minus 3x minus 1 plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4. The 9 by 4 and 9 by 4 are written through the perfect square. Now we make the perfect square of a quadratic equation. On the basis of that, we subtract the value of 9 by 4 from the perfect square. So, integral minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 13 by 2 under root 13 whole square dx. This integral can be written as under root 13 upon 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. This integral as the form of under root a square minus x square now equal to I equal to x minus 3 upon 2 by 2 under root 13 upon 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus a square by 2 13 by 4 13 by 8 13 by 8 sin inverse x minus 3 by 2 upon under root 13 by 2 under root 13 by 2. Now clear? 2x minus 3 by 4 under root 1 plus 3x minus x square plus 13 by 8 sin inverse 2x minus 3 upon 13 plus c. That's equal to minus 3 upon 4 under root 1 plus 3x minus x square plus 30 by 8 sine inverse 2x minus 3 upon under root 30 plus c. Clear? This is the integration of under root 1 plus 3x minus x square dx. Clear? Next is the integral of under root x square minus 8x plus 7 dx plus 7 dx. This integral is a quadratic formation. Such integral are factorized with the help of perfect square. Such integration are factorized with the help of perfect square. So it can be written as integral under root x square minus 8x plus 7 plus 9 minus 9 dx and integral under root x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 9 dx and the integration under root x minus 4 whole square minus 3 square dx. Now we apply the formula of under root x square minus a square. Under root x square minus a square. The formula of under root x square minus a square as x by 2 under root x square minus a square plus log a by 2 plus a by 2 log x plus under root x square minus a square. Now once again x by 2 under root x square minus a square minus a by 2 a square by 2 log mod x plus under root x square minus a square. So we apply that I equal to x minus 4 upon 2 under root x minus 4 whole square minus 3 square minus 3 square by 2 log x minus 4 plus under root x square plus c. I equal to x minus 4 by 2 under root x square minus 8x plus 7. X square minus 8x plus 7 minus 9 by 2 log x minus 4 plus under root x square minus 8x plus 7 plus c plus 7 plus c. This is the integration of x square minus 8x plus 7. Clear? Next question. Integral of under root 1 plus x square dx. This integral can be written as 1 square plus x square dx. Such type of integration under root x square plus a square under root x square plus a square equal to under root x square plus a square. Now use this a formula x by 2 under root x square plus a square plus a by 2 log mod x plus under root x square 1 x square plus a square. Now use this formula to integrate I equal to x by 2 under root 1 square plus x square plus a by 2 log mod x plus under root 1 square plus x square plus c. This can be written as x by 2 under root 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 log x plus under root 1 plus x square plus c. This is the integration of the given function. This is the integration of given function. In this integration, we find the directly formula. There have three formula. Under root a square minus x square. Integral of x square plus a square, and third integral of x square minus a square dx. In this exercise, we apply all three formulas to evaluate the given integration, to evaluate the given integration. Clear? Okay.